you can't see. It doesn't matter. You can start to share your screen, make it full screen. I can see your slide clearly.
Can I start?
Yeah. You can start.
Okay. So, hello everyone. Good morning again. I'm Raju Ahmed. Now I'm going to talk about future of IT. So, this is basically a supercar, and some of the most names in automating brands like Lamborghini, McLaren, Aston Martin, Power have played go all electric by 2030 to 2035. And the next one is basically the plan about NASA scientists. Other thing like book 2030, they say lots of robots basically in space research. They totally depends on robots, not human beings. So. And there are going to significant changes from now to 2035. And also we could see internet is working on quantum technology with the help of Q. And Metaverse will be fully launched and developed. We will spend most of our time in virtual reality and augmented reality. And cryptocurrency would be the currency of the new world. Would be treated as real money, and blockchain-based technologies would be the solution for every disease. People would get very lonely and more digital life in 2035. And how the future of IT affect our daily life in 2035. So decreased human contact, virtual connection, and a rise in bullying. So decreased human contact, basically more and more people are beginning to rely on technology to communicate with their loved ones, friends, and for example, like friends or other kind of relationship, and also they totally depends on virtual from now. And the coronavirus lockdown that forced millions of people to work from home also, and their communication is totally dependent online. And the meaning we get even less human contact than if so that's so video calling apps like Zoom, Skype, and many people can now experience without having to be in the sample. And last one is rising bullying. So technology has also made cyberbullying possible, and children are now particularly vulnerable to harassment. So this is like an advantage of future technologies that will be used in 2035 or above 2030. So the use of computers and other devices has helped the sector in many ways. And the use of equipment and machines has made manual labor are easy in the agricultural sector. And advancement, medical equipment and other devices has made the hospital industry and that will be in 2035. So when there is any kids or stoppage of machines, people will focus on it install and but people will become late and people will try more than communication. for every problem with it. Most of the people in the future, they actually doubt about how they can survive because technology will be coming on 2025, 2030. So, hey, yeah, that's the end of my presentation. So thank you for listening.
Okay, thank you, Raju. Hinako, try to share your screen. Hinako, I made you as co-host now. Hinako. Jiamei, are you able to share the screen? Jiamei, you try.
Okay.
So after you present, then we will get Alicia to present using your sharing of screen.
Okay.
Jiamei, go to the front. I can't see you. Jiamei, to the front. Yes, good.
Okay. Hello guys.
Yes.
Okay,
Maybe to
for the
the
first page.
side a little bit, kind of blocking the slide.
Here.
Yes. Yeah. Good.
Okay. Okay. For the question one, predict the future of IT in 2035. So we find out the instruction revolutions in 10 years, and AI, robotics, and the fourth industrial revolutions will become out. So from this image, we can note that the first revolution is mechanization, industrial revolution, and the second revolution will be mass production, and the third revolution will be automation, internet, social media, and we assume that in 2035 will come out the globalization 4.0, and globalization is going increasingly digital, a transformation that has become like globalization 4.0. So for the second question, how the future of IT affect our daily life in 2035? So we find out advance in digital technologies hold considerable potential to lift the trajectory of productivity and economic growth, and also it create new and better jobs to replace old ones. So for the third one, it has pushed income inequality higher and generated fears about a robo capsule for massive job losses from automation. So for the last one, elaborate the advantage and disadvantage of future technologies that will be used in 2035. So I will say about the AI technologies. So AI technologies can, for the advantage, AI technologies can repetitive the jobs. Like machines think faster than humans and can perform various functions at the same time. And also it can be employed to carry out dangerous tasks and its parameters are adjusted. This is not possible with human as their speed and time can be calculated on the basis of parameters. So for the disadvantage is not human replication. No human replication is no matter how smart a machine becomes, it can never replicate a human, and machines are rational, but every inhuman as they don't possess emotions and moral values. They don't know what is ethical and what's legal, and because of this, don't have their own judgment-making skills, so they only do what they're told to do. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Which I finished
Nice.
my presentation.
Thank you very much, Jiamei. Well done. Who is with you? Alicia?
Alicia, yeah, I'm
Yes.
share.
Yes.
Okay.
You share the screen of those view?
Can. Wait a minute.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, boy.
We can't share your screen.
Yeah, I can see
Enable
the
the
screen.
screen. Yeah.
Yeah,
Is sharing now? Okay.
can. It's a bit slow just now. Okay,
Okay.
good.
So, presenting a feature of IT in 2035. So the first technology will be a dating app. A dating app with AI features is an easy way to search for potential partners by age, gender, location, and sexual orientation and shared interests. So dating apps that use AI, it can identify the common facial features. Users can choose their personal preferences of their dating type, and also who resemble the celebrities, for example, Gigi Hadid. And also algorithms encourage dating app users to get to know each other. For example, it could set expiration date for a relationship and analyze breakups to find a better fit. Okay. Now I'll be talking the second technology in future. It's called vehicle-to-vehicle communication. It's known as V2v communication. It's an ability to wirelessly exchange information about the speed and position of surrounding vehicles, shows great promise in helping to avoid crashes, ease traffic congestion, and also improve the environment. So what is V2v communication? It allows vehicles to broadcast and receive omnidirectional messages up to 10 times per second, and it also create a 360 degrees awareness of other. And secondly, vehicles equipped with appropriate software or safety application can use the messages from surrounding vehicles to determine potential crash threats. And the third one, it could also employ visual, tactile, and audible alerts or a combination of these alerts to warn drivers. These alerts allow drivers to take action of the ability to avoid crashes. The advantages of V2V communication, it can improve the traffic management. It facilitates the monitoring and management of traffic by using real-time alerts from vehicles to decongest the traffic. It could also divert traffic, track vehicles' location, and adjust the speed limits and adapt traffic light programs. And secondly, it could also prevent possible crashes. It used by cars to prevent potential threats such as crashes, as the system include tactile alerts to warn driver. And the third one, providing driver assistance. Timely warnings such as height of a nearby bridge are highly invaluable to drivers operating large fleet trucks or hauling oversized cargo. It could also help with safe parking, which includes parallel parking. And now I'll be talking about disadvantages of V2V communication. The first one will be security risk. V2V enable catastrophic with business wars and crime accounting for a considerable percentage of road hijacking. And potential risks include losing control of a car to someone else due to hacked system. For example, the car door is locked up or engine passing the speed limit. And the second one will be concerns of liability. And this V2V communication is still very new and clear guidelines are yet to be established. Prompts given by the V2V communication system result in an accident. There will be challenges establishing whose fault it was in the first place. The last one will be privacy issues. as these V2V communications can monitor drivers and driving habits, all parties with access to ALPR, which known as automated license plate readers, are capable of monitoring and collecting data involving vehicles with V2V communication. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.
Okay, well done, Alicia. Who is with you? Who else is with you over there?
Hasmin, but she can share on her own device.
Okay. Who?
Okay.
Hasmin.
Yeah.
I will make Hasmin as host. Hasmin, you try to unmute yourself and say hi. You are the host now.
Can you?
Sorry?
Can you hear me?
Yes, can.
Okay. Hey, what's the mouse skin?
So you are connecting, right?
Lisa,
Ah,
can Hinako present first? Because Hasmin has some problem.
Can. I said you
to
as
share her screen.
the host. Yeah, you are still the host. Hinako, I can't hear you.
Yes.
Hinako, you are the host. You want to share the screen?
Okay.
Who is sharing now? Hinako, right? Jiamei, who is sharing now? Can you check for me? After this, we will go to another venue. Is that okay, Charles? Jiamei?
Yeah, we will go to the other venue after this.
All right, okay, thank you. Jiamei, who is going to present? Can you respond to me? Hinako or Hasmin? Jiamei?
Miss, can I share for them because they are not able to share?
Yes, please.
Oh, sorry.
Share for them. It's easier. Don't waste the time.
Okay.
Ishan's obsession with that chicken hen.
Can? Miss, am I sharing my screen?
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay. This is Hasmin's slide.
Can you put me to the screen? Alright, so I'm going to talk about future of IT. It's about artificial intelligence to enable 10% profit gains by 2035. Purdy and Doherty claim that according to a Accenture study, AI has the potential to increase profitable rates by an average of 38% by 2035 and generate an additional $14 trillion in economic growth across 16 industries and 12 economies during the time frame. Industry growth. AI will also increase economic growth by an average 1.7% across 16 industries by 2035, with information and communication, manufacturing, and financial services leading all industries. AI will also increase profit. Usage of AI in 2035 will increase in 16 industries, with education being the most profitable industry. AI increased the growth rate in 12 developed countries, which can be seen in the figure that I show here. How will AI in 2035 will affect our daily life? AI will take over decision-making in logical problems. This leads to humans rely more to AI in making decisions, from simple decisions like choosing a better outfit for a certain occasion to big decisions like securing deals in businesses. Advantages and disadvantages of the usage of AI in 2035. The advantages: AI can enable the development of a new generation of products and services. AI can also boost sales, improve machine maintenance, increase production output and quality, and improve customer service as well as save energy. The disadvantages of AI applications that are in physical contact with humans or integrated into the human body could pose safety risks as they may be poorly designed, misused, or hacked. Poorly regulated use of AI in weapons could also lead to loss of human control over dangerous weapons. That's it. Thank you. Sure.
Okay, good. Thank you very much.